Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to duplicate a sketch using linear pattern. Firstly, a sketch of a circle will be drawn on the top surface of the cuboid. We will change the orientation of the cuboid to view the selected surface by clicking on the Enter button on the keyboard and choosing the shown option. This will help us in drawing the sketch. The circle has a radius of 0.12 inches. After we draw the sketch, we select it, and then we press on Linear Sketch Pattern option in the sketch bar. We have the option to duplicate the sketch in two directions, in the x-axis direction, and the y-axis direction, and we can duplicate it multiple times as needed. I will duplicate the circle sketch 4 times. 2 of them on the x-axis, and 2 on the y-axis. I will move the circles in the corners by changing the dimension between the sketches. By clicking on this, I am moving the y-axis sketches in the opposite direction, downward. After you finish, click on the tick sign. As we are finished with the sketch, we will click on Exit the sketch and move on to the features to add holes. To add holes, I will use the Extruded Cut feature. Firstly, select the wanted sketch. I will select the Through All option to make the cut through the rectangle. Thank you for watching the video. To watch more videos, please subscribe and click on the like button. On the right side, there are some videos that may interest you.